In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create 50 reels in 2 minutes. And we are going to be using free tools. Number one tool, which is ChatGPT, and of course, my favorite tool, Canva. So if this is what you're interested in, come closer and let's dive in. To generate the text, we are going over to ChatGPT, my favorite AI, to give us a quote. So we just type in on ChatGPT, generate 50 quotes for my Instagram reels on making money online for Faceless Digital Channel. I'll click enter, and this is it. ChatGPT is giving us the answer. You can see short, simple, and easy. So it will just take a little time for it to complete the 50. Yes, this is our 50. We already have it here. So we'll copy these 50 quotes. We'll just highlight the whole 50. You can do it batch by batch. Highlight, copy, and go to the next step, which is to go to Google Sheets. So just type in Google Sheets here and search for it. You can actually go directly, but I'll just click on this, and then we already have it. So I'll click on this place and select paste special character. So this will automatically paste it as individuals. So I'll just rename it and save it. You see save as CSV. Make sure you save as CSV. So we'll go to the third step, which is to come over to Canva. Here on Canva, we have to create design. So we'll click on Instagram Reels, like this one here. Though you can still go to create a design, but since we just have this template here, to save also the whole order of doing that, click on Instagram Reels. So we'll select a template. We just allow it to load a bit. Yeah, it's already loading. So you can select a template depending on the one you like. I just scroll through. I'm still thinking about which of the templates I should use. Or you can search for a template. Just like every other thing you search for, you can just search for Instagram background video or digital marketing related to what you want. Can just search for anything, even if you're pasting a cartoon videos, you can just search for cartoon videos or anything related. So just scroll through to select my desired reels. This one are cool, but I don't think I need any of these. Anyways, it depends on you, depends on what you like. So since I think I like this one, yes, I'll just click on it. You can also drag and drop it there. So the next thing now is to edit this template, or rather customize this template. So just customize it to what I want, my desired text. But before then, I'll just go to video background. I don't like this background, it's too faint for this. Anyways, since it's a batch kind of thing, you can change it on the long run. Probably can change different days on, but for this one, as a main template, I want a different background. So you can just search Instagram Reels video background. You can just be creative. This is what Canva is all about. Just be creative in what you are searching and what you are adding to it. You get it? I didn't see what I like here, so I'll just go over and search for video background to check if I'll see something that I want, something that will pop out to my taste. Still nothing yet. This is taking time. Yes, this one is cool. So I'll just set as background, rather replace background. Now the next thing for us is to edit this template. So I'm changing it to my name, Blessing Agarese, and then I'll change this, which is my Instagram handle, to my Instagram name. You can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram name, Blessing Aga. So I'll go over to copy this first quote here and paste it on Canva. Yes, I'll paste it here where my quote is. I'll just paste it. Sorry. And then after pasting, I just read it. You can just do a little touch on it by changing the font size, the font. You can even change the font color. Just customize it to your taste. Like right now, I am changing it This is a vertical word cool. I don't think it's that cool. Anyways, just do your own thing. Do your own thing. Then I'll change this picture. Very important. Of course, I need to put in my face. I don't know that woman, so it needs to be me. So just do something creative. I'll add this cycle to it, resize it, and make it sweet. You can change. You can use square, or you can leave it like that, or you can use a real boss cycle or anything. I'll change this color to blue. I have to be consistent with the color I'm using. But if it's your brand color, is green, you can use green. Anything. Just be creative. Just be creative around it. So after customizing this, I think it's cool. Let's just play it a little. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. Though we are not there yet, we've not finished everything, but we are getting the groove, right? So after editing our template, the next thing is to go to apps and click on bulk create. So we'll click on upload data, this one below. So we are going to upload our data. The CSV file we downloaded earlier is what we are going to upload here. You can remember I named it as blessing. So I'll just click on this first test and click connect data. This will connect all the data that we have. That's number 1 to 50. Yes, and then I'll click generate 50 reels. So to just take a little time. Yes, here we have our reels. Just scroll through it. You can see the first one. Let's do a test one. First one, and then let's go to the second one. You can see it's different tests. We have them here, and then the third, fourth, and all of them. This is how they are going to bless. So all those 50 quotes we wrote on our Google Sheets have been automatically written here in our templates where we want them. So you can see it is very easy to generate 50 reels. I think this didn't even take up to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I shouldn't exaggerate, right? So all you now have to do is to download and upload this to your Instagram account. But before that, you can be like, okay, instead of me to just download the same thing so it won't look boring, you can decide to change either the background, either the text color, the font color, either this text template. Just work on it like what you're seeing right now. You get, see, I just changed the background of this one, of this day. You can decide to change any of them. Just work on it to make it creative, though you can just leave them until the day you are uploading. You get, so it won't look that difficult. You can see it didn't take us 5 minutes to do any of this. So you can go to share and click on download and download the reel you want to post. Just uncheck the 50 reels and check the page. Check the page you want to download, like say day 5, and then you have it downloaded to your system. The good part with this is that Instagram now has schedule posts, so you can create posts for the whole month and schedule it on Instagram. So every day, the day you schedule, the post will start going live. Is life not easy with AI? Yes, life is easy. Oh, talking about easy life, I created a playlist for Canva for you to watch. You can start making money once you implement all these tutorials I have placed here. So just go over and watch this Canva playlist. You can also share with your friends and family. Okay, until next time, stay motivated.